Hello students, today I will be taking your English grammar class of class 2. Okay, and the chapter I will be taking today, that is chapter number 24, and but or. Okay, so I am repeating the chapter once again. Let's do the exercises, page number 66 and B part. So number 1, page number 66, B part. Let's do the answers. That I have one brother and or but one sister, it will be and. Number 2, I have one brother and or but no sister, it will be but. Number 3, Minnie is fat and or but Ritu is slim, it will be again but. Number 4, is Geeta in class 1 and or class 2, it will be or. Right? Number 5, is the jug full of water but or is the jug empty, so it will again be or. Right? Number 6, which umbrella do you like, the white one and or the black one, it will be or. Number 7, will you paint this wall pink and or light blue, it will be or. Number 8, are those oranges sour or and sweet, it will be or. Right? So I'm repeating once again, just check this out. I have one brother and one sister, number 1 that is. And number 2, I have one brother but no sister. Number 3, Minnie is fat but Ritu is slim. Number 4, is Geeta in class 1 or class 2? Number 5, is the jug full of water or is the jug empty? Number 6, which umbrella do you like? Do you like the white one or the black one? Number 7, will you paint these wall pink or light blue? Number 8, are those oranges sour or sweet? Okay, I hope all of you have marked it. Now let's continue with the next one. Next one, page number 67. Number 67, fill in the blanks, and C part, fill in the blanks with and or but. Okay, C part number 1, she sat at the table dash wrote the letter, it will be and. Number 2, you can come to school by a school bus dash by your own car, it will be or. Number 3, the elephant is big dash the mouse is small, it will be but. Number 4, tigers dash wolves are wild animals, it will be and. Number 5, you can have this chocolate dash this pen, you cannot have both, it will be or. Number 6, we have some milk dash no sugar, it will be but. And number 7, the cat tried dash could not catch the mouse, it will again be but. Repeat once again. Number 1, she sat at the table and wrote the letter. Number 2, you can come to school by a school bus or by your own car. Number 3, the elephant is big but the mouse is small. Number 4, tigers and wolves are wild animals. Number 5, you can have this chocolate or this pen, you cannot have both. Number 6, we have some milk but no sugar. And number 7, the cat tried but could not catch the mouse. Okay, so today I have done repeated again page number 66 and 67, and the rest one I will do in your next classes. Okay, so today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye.